Welcome back to Core Arabic 101. Today, we are boarding our virtual flight. We have prepared an interactive travel survival guide to get you from the airplane seat through passport control and straight to your hotel without any stress. I've got my imaginary bags packed and my notebook ready. Let's start. Excellent. When you step up to the immigration desk, the officer will ask for your passport. They will usually say, أرني جواز سفرك من فضلك. 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 That means, show me your passport, please, right? Exactly. جواز سفر means passport. Now your response should be polite as you hand it over. You should say, تفضل, هذا جوازي. تفضل, هذا جوازي. تفضل, هذا جوازي. تفضل, هذا جوازي. Here you go. This is my passport. Perfect. Next, the officer might ask the reason for your visit. They will ask, ما هي سبب زيارتك? ما هي سبب زيارتك? ما هي سبب زيارتك? ما هي سبب زيارتك? What is the reason for your visit? To answer safely, you can say, I am here for tourism. أنا هنا للسياحة. أنا هنا للسياحة. أنا هنا للسياحة. أنا هنا للسياحة. Tourism is a safe answer. Now that you've passed immigration, it's time to collect your luggage. If you can't find the baggage area, you need to ask a staff member. Say, أين منطقة الحقائب? أين منطقة الحقائب؟ أين منطقة الحقائب؟ أين منطقة الحقائب? Where is the baggage area? Spot on. Al-Haqa'ib means bags or luggage. Once you find them, you head to the exit customs line. If you have nothing illegal, you tell the officer, I have nothing to declare. ليس لدي شيء لأعلن عنه. 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 That sounds long, but it's super professional. Now you are officially outside the airport gates. You need a ride. Let's find a taxi. First, confirm if they use a meter so you don't get overcharged. Ask the driver, هل تستخدم العداد؟ هل تستخدم العداد؟ هل تستخدم العداد؟ هل تستخدم العداد? Do you use the meter? That is an incredibly important travel hack. Absolutely. If they say yes, you tell them your destination. To the hotel, please. Listen and repeat. إلى الفندق من فضلك. إلى الفندق من فضلك. إلى الفندق من فضلك. إلى الفندق من فضلك. To the hotel, please. الفندق is hotel. Got it. And once you arrive safely at your hotel, you ask for the price. كم الحساب؟ كم الحساب؟ كم الحساب؟ كم الحساب? How much is the bill? Fantastic job, John. Now it's time for the ultimate simulated travel test. Imagine I am the immigration officer at the airport and you have just landed. Let's do a quick live role play. أرني جواز سفرك من فضلك. تفضل، هذا جوازي. ما هي سبب زيارتك؟ أنا هنا للسياحة. أهلا وسهلا. Welcome to our country. Applause. John, you passed the immigration check perfectly. Whew, that felt so real, but those phrases made it incredibly easy. They really do. To everyone watching at home, where is the first Arabic-speaking country you want to travel to? Let us know in the comments below. Yes, tell us your travel plans in the comments. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to Core Arabic 101 so you never miss a lesson in this Zero to Hero survival series. Ma salama. Ma salama. Safe travels, everyone.